So first, what you want to do is you want to start by separating the wingtips. So you'll find this first joint right here, and you should be able to feel it. You can cut right through the joint. Set the wingtip aside for stock. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so after you remove the wingtips, what you want to do is you want to start here in the armpit, make an incision here, follow the bones around, and you'll cut right through the joint here in front of the wing. Same thing over here. Start in the armpit, you can follow it around. Separate the joint. Turn the bird over. You find the breastbone here, and you start on either side of the breastbone. You just cut straight down to the rib cage. Okay, at this point, what you want to do is you want to start to pull the breast away from the rib cage, and just follow the knife down along the rib cage. Once the breast has been removed, you can just cut straight through here, right through the skin. And this can come right off. There is that bone should not be there. Okay, so same thing on this side, just down the side of the breastbone. Follow the rib cage down. So for the legs, what you want to do is you want to grab the leg here and then put one finger at the joint, and you could just pop this open on both sides. You start with the tip of your knife at the joint in the thigh here, just cut straight down. Now in front of the joint for the thigh is what we call the oyster. You can just use your thumb to pull that piece of meat out, and then just trim this off. Same on the other side. Start with the tip of the knife in the joint, cut straight down, use your thumb with the oyster. You can just trim it off. So at this point, you want to save the carcass for stock. If you choose to, you can separate the thighs and the legs. And you can start with this line of fat here. It's a natural separation. You want to cut just on the thighs or the drumstick side here. So you should separate the joint cleanly every time. Again, find this separation of fat here, and just on the drumstick side. That's it. 8 pieces.